Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question. The simplify 243 raised to power minus 2 by 3 multiply 32 raised to power minus 1 by 5 and divided by square root 196 raised to power minus 1. Now this is very most important long question according to board point of view class 9th. So today how to simplify this question. Firstly, the first step of this type of a question to solve is, so see, the power of all number is negative. The first step is to remove this negative sign, to convert the power of any number into positive form. So convert, due to conversion of this negative power, then take the reciprocal. Okay, so 196 in denominator, when it becomes move from denominator to numerator, see this 196 square root, then it power negative 1, it becomes a plus 1. Okay, similarly 243 raised to power minus 2 by 3, it move on in denominator. This one 243 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, and next 32, it's also minus 1 by 5, so it becomes positive when moved from numerator to denominator. Okay, the first step is this one. So student, the second is factorize. So take the prime factor of all of these numbers. 196, the factor of 196 is 2 square, 7 square and square root, and denominator 243, it becomes 3 raised to power 5 and whole power 2 by 3 multiply with 32. 32 means 2 raised to power 5 and the power 1 by 5. Okay, so the next step is open the bracket and simplify the first 2 square and square root. This one. So in a square root, in a radical sign, when two or more number in form of multiply or in division, so we can separate the radical in different terms such that. Okay, and next 3 raised to power 5, when open the bracket the power becomes multiply 5 multiply 2 over 3, and see here 2 raised to power 5 multiply 1 by 5. Okay, so 2 cancel with square root, square root, and here 2 raised to power 5 1 over 5, 5 cancel with 5, then 2 multiply 7 and 3 raised to power. So 5 multiply 2 by 3, there is no cancellation, so 5 multiply with 2, it becomes a 10 over 3 multiply 2. So 2 and 2 cancel with each other. Okay, so 7 divided by 3 raised to power 10 over 3. So this is the first portion. You simplify numbers in a prime factor, and this is the prime number. So 7 is a prime number, but 3 raised to power 10 over 3, this is not a simplified form. For this purpose, simplify this one. 10 raised to power 3 is 7 over 3 raised to power 10 over 3 means 3 10 write in form 9 plus 1 over 3. Okay, and 3, 9 plus 1 means 9 over 3 plus 1 over 3. According to the law of exponent, the law of power exponent, when bases are same and multiply, the power becomes add. So now apply the converse rule and split this term in two bases, 3 raised to power 9 over 3 and 3 raised to power 1 over 3. This one. See student, 9 over 3, 1 over 3 plus base 1 base, then split into two same bases, two number of same bases in form of product. So according to this one, 7, 3, 9 over 3 cancel with each other, it becomes remaining 3. And this one, this 3 raised to power 1 over 3, this exponential form convert into radical form. 3 index and 3 is radical. And then final result is 7 divided by 3 cube means 27, and this one cube root of 3. So this is the final result of this most important long question. I hope so all of you understand this question. This is the very most important. So if you have any problem in this question, you can also mention in comments. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.